Good day. I'm Sunny Jane Patilinghug, a fresh graduate of Civil Engineering from Mapua University, and I'm applying for the Junior Engineer position at Healthy Options. I came across this opportunity through a LinkedIn post by Ms. Suspeñe, and I was drawn to the company's mission of promoting wellness and sustainability, principles I'm deeply aligned with as an aspiring engineer. With a solid academic foundation and real-world exposure during my internship at EcoStruct Engineering Solutions, I assisted with project documentation, contractor billings, and field coordination. This experience sharpened my technical knowledge and taught me to be resourceful, flexible, and detail-oriented, qualities that I believe match well with what we're looking for in this role. Your company would benefit from my strong organizational and interpersonal skills, along with my proficiency in tools such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Microsoft Office. I take pride in being dependable, a team player, and someone who approaches every task with a solution-oriented mindset. I also actively participated in extracurriculars, serving in the Logistics Committee of the Council of Presidents at Mapua, and joining PICE MUSC, or the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers Mapua University Student Chapter. These roles helped me grow in leadership, collaboration, and communication, skills that are just as critical in engineering as technical expertise. I believe my qualifications and work ethic make me a strong match for what you're looking for in this role, and someone who can contribute positively to your company's mission and projects. I am confident that my background and drive make me well suited for this opportunity. If you'd like to know more or are interested in working together, feel free to reach out through the contact details on the screen. I am looking forward to the opportunity to grow and contribute to your team's goal with purpose and passion. Thank you very much for your time and consideration.